Nikita Bier, the startup founder who joined X as head of product last year, is no longer the head. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. In a post on X, Bier said that he would continue as an advisor, but joked about stepping down, saying that it was time to pass the torch and demote myself to my natural state, a poster. In a little over a year at the company, Bier became one of its most recognizable executives. He was the face of sometimes controversial changes, like About This account, which showed accounts' country of origins and exposed a number of popular accounts that had masqueraded as US-based political influencers. More recently, Bier led the push to overhaul X's monetization program for creators. This included crackdowns on engagement bait and creators who rip off content from others. Bier didn't say what he would work on next, other than continuing to advise X. In his post on the platform, Bier said that running this app is a 24/7 job, and it's now time for me to take a breather. Prior to joining the company, he founded two anonymous messaging apps aimed at teens. He sold polling app TVH to Facebook in 2017, and Discord bought his anonymous compliment app Gas in 2023. Both apps were subsequently shut down. It's not clear who will step into the role next. Bier shouted out some of his teammates, including Benji Taylor, who became head of design earlier this year. Taylor said he would still be focused on leading design, but that he was still excited to help continue Bier's work. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.